Okay, so overall, if I talk about this shoe, this is, as you know, it is Superman branded shoe from Soul Store, and the quality of the shoe is really nice. Only the box had a problem, but the shoe quality is really good. And this shoe had a very gum smell. That was the only issue, but now after wiping it properly and keeping it outside, that smell is gone. But other than that, this shoe, mainly what I like about this shoe is the stitching part. As you can see, the stitching design is really good. Like, this part is kind of brown stitching, and rest of the shoe is has a white stitching all around. So this gives a nice detail to the shoe, and the use of colors and everything is really good in my opinion. So I have gotten compliments wearing this shoe. I think this shoe kind of resonates Jordan 1 design and things like that. If you see the sole, see, it's similar to that. So Jordan 1 highs, those who cannot afford it, this you can grab at very less price, around 2000, 2200. You will get these shoes. And yeah, the other thing is, it comes with two different color shoelaces. So I'm using the default one, that is white. So you need to tie the shoe, which is kind of long lace. I like that about the Deadpool shoes, which has that elastic sort of lace. So other than that, everything else about this shoe is really good, and I will highly recommend it. So to see the real beauty of the sneaker, you have to wear it with jeans. So I think I'll show how it looks with jeans. See, this is how it looks, and it is very decent shoe for the price. I hope you guys like the video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.